In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update PowerDirector app. By updating your PowerDirector app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues that might be associated with your PowerDirector app. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to update your PowerDirector app, you need to go ahead and look for this app through Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for this app called Google Play Store. If you tap on it, first go ahead and log into your Google Play Store if you are not logged in using your Gmail account. From here, go ahead and search for your app by name using the search bar on top here. But in case you can't find the search bar, then head down below and look for a search icon. Tap on it and then search the app by name like that, and then tap on the search icon here. As you can see, our app is here, and if I tap on it, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of PowerDirector video editor app. To get the latest version, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of PowerDirector, replacing the older version of this app, and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of PowerDirector video editor app. So that's how you can get the latest version or update your PowerDirector app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.